When it comes to leveling surveyors in Gurgaon Sector 23, SCON Design is the name that stands out. With years of experience and expertise in the field, SCON Design has established itself as a reliable and trusted provider of surveying services in the area. Whether it is for residential or commercial projects, their team of highly skilled and trained surveyors ensures accurate and precise leveling measurements. Gurgaon Sector 23 is a bustling area with numerous construction projects taking place. In such a scenario, it becomes imperative to have professional leveling surveyors who can provide accurate measurements for construction purposes. SCON Design understands this need and offers top-notch surveying services to clients in Gurgaon Sector 23. They use advanced tools and techniques to ensure that the leveling measurements are done with utmost precision. With SCON Design, clients can be assured of quality services and timely completion of their projects. The team of leveling surveyors at SCON Design is well-versed with the latest industry standards and practices. They have the necessary expertise to handle complex surveying projects in Gurgaon Sector 23. Whether it is for land development, road construction, or building construction, SCON Design has the capability to deliver exceptional results. The services offered by SCON Design go beyond just leveling surveying. They also provide a range of other surveying services such as topographic surveys, boundary surveys, and construction staking. This makes them a one-stop solution for all surveying needs in Gurgaon Sector 23. Their comprehensive approach ensures that clients can rely on them for all their surveying requirements. SCON Design distinguishes itself as the leveling surveyor of choice in Gurgaon Sector 23. SCON Design has established itself as a dependable and trustworthy provider of surveying services in the area, thanks to its years of experience and competence in the sector. Their team of expert surveyors provides precise and accurate leveling measurements for both residential and commercial projects. Sector 23 in Gurgaon is a busy location where many construction projects are ongoing. Professional leveling surveyors who can provide precise measures for construction purposes are required in such a situation. SCON Design is aware of this necessity and provides clients in Gurgaon Sector 23 with excellent surveying services. To guarantee that the leveling measures are completed with the utmost precision, they make use of cutting-edge tools and methods. Customers can count on SCON Design to provide them with high-quality services and complete their projects on schedule. The leveling surveyors at SCON Design are knowledgeable about the most recent standards and procedures in the field. They are qualified to manage challenging surveying assignments in Gurgaon Sector 23. SCON Design can produce outstanding outcomes whether it is for land development, road construction, or building construction. SCON Design provides more than just leveling and surveying in its services. A variety of other surveying services are also offered by them, including construction staking, boundary surveys, and topographic surveys. They are now the go-to company for all surveying requirements.